All right, a big development that is coming across in the pornographic investigation that has been carried out by the Mumbai police there. What we are getting to know that the Mumbai police has sought further custody of Raj Kundra and the another accused in the case who had been arrested for another 7 days. What is being said by the crime branch is that it suspects that the amount, the money, the transactions that was earned from these pornographic materials and the content that was distributed were actually used for betting. This is a big charge that is being added by the Mumbai police there, that the transactions from Kundra's account where the money was probably used for betting. Let me go across to Yesha now. Yesha, this is huge, a massive development taking place. As the custody was to end today, we're getting to know that the police, the crime branch, is seeking further custody on these grounds.
That's right. So now this is a very important development because what we've been speaking about since the last 2 days, we have said that Raj Kundra had a plan B in place after his app Hot Shots was brought down from the Google Play Store and the iOS as well. And now it has brought out in the remand application that's being sought by the Mumbai police. They are seeking 7 days of remand for Raj Kundra as well as his colleague Ryan, and they have said that on the grounds that he was coming up with a plan B. This plan B was Bollywood Fame, a new app which we were talking about. Apart from that, there are several such revelations which have come out. Now they are speaking about, especially inside the court, they are speaking about 4 email accounts of Hot Shots that were being accessed. They've recorded the statement and they've said that there was a monthly expense of approximately 4,000 to 10,000 pounds that was being made. We had in fact spoken about this, that there were transactions, there were international transactions that were being done from these accounts of Raj Kundra, that is his company account as well, and we'd spoken about that earlier. But now there is another big development that has come in wherein they've said that he had in fact an account in the United Bank of Africa. So now Mumbai police is trying to understand these links. They would want to understand further as to where this money was coming in. In fact, it's also being said that this Skernin company, which was being spoken about, the UK-based company of which Pradeep Bakshi is the director, it was said that Raj Kundra was dealing with Pradeep Bakshi, but now it's also come to fore that Raj Kundra was himself a partner in that company. So there are several such revelations which have now come out in it, and in fact, the crime branch has also added that while they were raiding the places of Raj Kundra, several offices, they have also found out several key evidences wherein there was pornographic content which has come out, and huge amount of money which was bought from this pornographic content was used for betting, which is a huge development coming in because now the fact that crime branch is asking for 7 days more of remand, they would want to understand further links of Raj Kundra as to where this money was being used, how it was being used, because let us first understand that betting is considered illegal in India, while it's allowed in other countries, but it's considered illegal in India. So now they would want to access more such accounts and businesses of Raj Kundra. Yes.
And the details that has been sought by the police, Yesha, for the kind of investigation that is being carried out, the police also suspects that there was data that was apparently deleted. Who deleted? Because it is being said that right after the arrest was made, there was certain data that has been deleted and the police needs to investigate it.
That's right. So now it's been said that the data was, IT statements of Raj Kundra were also accessed by the crime branch, and the day that Raj Kundra was arrested, this data has been deleted by someone from his office. Though this data has already been retrieved by the crime branch, they had already taken access to all the data, that is, be it his mobile data or data from his laptop, all the data, all the other data which was there in the electronic form has already been taken custody of crime branch, because we had also repeatedly mentioned that not only one company but various other companies of Raj Kundra, that is Vian as well as for that matter JL Stream, were raided by the crime branch. Now the fact that Vian's name has also come out in the remand application points out to the fact that it is the crime branch which is not only investigating one particular company, not only Hot Shots app, which was the key app, which was the focus of the entire investigation right from February 5th. But now there are various other companies which are under the scanner of the crime branch, because the crime branch also mentioned about Vian company, and they mentioned that they conducted a raid and seized all the details from their offices as well. So now we are seeing that the crime branch, considering they had taken the custody of Raj Kundra, he was in the police custody, we were interrogating him. they are now widening their scope of investigation to ensure that more such companies of which Raj Kundra is a part of can be understood as to where this money was coming from, because like we have always been speaking about, that Raj Kundra was actually considered to be the person who was financing and funding the entire pornographic racket, which was under the scanner of Mumbai police. Now, it's not only about pornography, but it's the fact that name of betting has also come up, that this company is also involved in betting, raises several more questions and increases the scope for Mumbai police's investigation.
All right, that's a huge development that has taken place, where the crime branch is now seeking 7 more days of custody of Raj Kundra and another associate of his, Ryan, for investigation, as they suspect that the money that has been used, the transactions that have been used, were allegedly used for betting as well. Thanks very much, Gesha. That's a big development. We'll see the kind of custody, if granted by the court, to the crime branch by Raj Kundra and Ryan, who is said to be the other accused in the case, as the investigation still continues. Gesha, thank you.